Hey, CurlyKin, welcome back to my channel. If you want to be a part of the Curly fam, go down below, click that subscribe button, click that bell button so you never miss the next time I upload and you can join the fam. Okay, one thing that we bought was this one. If it focus. Okay, if you watch a whole bunch of YouTubers like I do, you know that this caused a big uproar and everybody was talking about it, and they was trying to compare it to Olaplex because this is kind of something like Olaplex. And if you don't know what Olaplex is, it's something to repair the bonds in your hair. Like when you have like a whole bunch of damage, like most of the time when curly hair people use it, it's like when they did flat iron their hair and they start to see a little straight pieces and they like, I don't like that, so they get Olaplex and then, you know, use it a couple times and then their curls start to come back because it's repairing the bonds in the hair. But Curlsmith, this brand, decided that they wanted to do it too, and they came out with this product and they said this product is supposed to be so much better because in Olaplex it only repairs one bond, but in this one it repairs 3. And I was like, my hair is really not that damaged. It's really not. But do I want to see what the hype about? Yes. Am I going to try it? Yes. Did it, when I seen the price, did it kind of be like, do I really need it? Yes. But I'm still going to try it. Okay, so since we're, you know, going to be trying this product today, we need to find out, you know, what all the stuff say on the thing. And if you don't know about Curlsmith, I always wanted to try this brand and I haven't tried anything from them yet. Like, I'm going to try this today, but I want to try some more of them. But this was like back in the day when I first went natural, and you know, like after I first cut my hair, and you know, when you first go natural, you ain't expecting them prices to be what them prices is. And Curlsmith was a little up there, and I was like, do I really need to try it, or is that just, you know, something that I just want? And I was like, you can wait on it, you can wait on it. But I finally got a product from them, and this one, it is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. It's a bonding treatment for weak damaged hair. It gives you resilience, protection, and bond stability. Sounds good. The hand-picked ingredients are pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale. This said, the promise is blended with superfoods. Our strength recipes are designed to make your hair look strong and elastic. That's great. Elasticity is the curl. Like if you don't have your elasticity, it's like, even like say you pull your curl, it's not gonna bounce back up. It's just gonna stay limp and down. We don't want that. We don't want that. It say it's cruelty free. What? Cruelty free. It has no silicones. It's vegan. It's 8 fluid ounces. It has 0 spoons of sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, or DEAs. And it got a 12-month grace period. So after you open it, you have 12 months to use it before it's no longer any good. So that section is damp now, and now it's time to try this out. But before we do that, you know, on my channel we always do the smell test and the consistency test to see, you know, what it can do. And I can't get it open. Jesus. Okay, smell test first. Whoa, wait a minute. Okay, since this is like a treatment of some sort, I was not expecting it to smell like it smells, and it smells amazing. I'm here for it. It smells like some kind of fruit. Oh my god, I like it. Okay, consistency, it is thick apparently. Apparently it's very thick. Okay. So this is the consistency. It's thick and creamy. Oh, it feels so good in my hands. And I love the smell. The smell is amazing. So this is it on my hands, and I'm finna put it on my hair. Okay, I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel because okay. As soon as I put it on my hair, I felt a little something. It felt a little different. It felt a little, you know, I don't know. It confused me because I was like, what am I feeling right now, you know? And cause my hair is super duper soft. Super duper soft. So I'm like, huh? What? So, you know, I think I'm just gonna add just a little bit more onto this section, just a little bit. Cause I wanna get all the benefits I can, because that just felt amazing. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more onto this section, because wow, so far I am, you know, I always say in my videos, don't get too excited, because you never know how it's gonna turn out, you know, when it's time to wash it out. But how can I not get excited with this product if my hair is feeling like it's feeling? It feels really good. I can't quite test, you know, the detangling properties because my hair is in a braid out or twist out or whatever you want to call it. So I can't really test the detangling properties of it, but I feel like it would be a great detangler because the slip is, it's some slip there. I can feel the slip, but I can't quite tell you how much slip there is. So I'm going to twist each section up to, you know, lock in what I just did. And then I'm going to continue throughout my whole head. And I'm feeling pretty good about this product. Finish this side. I'm going to do the other side off camera, and I'll be back to show you guys what my hair looks like. And I have let it sit in my hair for, I think, 45 minutes, which is not bad, long as I didn't go over the hour, because I don't want to know what finds out if I go over the hour. But I let it sit after it done sat in my hair. And first thing I want to say is that the shine is there. Like, my hair is super duper shiny. And second thing I want to point out, you probably can't see it, but I feel it, and oh my god, my hair is so soft. It is so soft. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. My hair just feels amazing. But as you know, on my channel we always got to wash it out so we can know what it really does for the hair. But first impressions before I rinse it out, it did what it had to do. My hair feels amazing. So I'm gonna go rinse it out real quick. Okay, so I have washed out the pre-treatment or whatever you want to call it, and I'm hooked. Okay, so my hair, it got a little definition in there. I don't really care about the definition, to be honest with you. I care about how soft my hair is. Like, the softness of my hair is on another level. I don't think I ever felt my hair this soft, and I must say I'm happy. I'm here for it. Yeah. Okay, so now it's time to talk about this product. Okay, so it is, like I said earlier, it is 8 ounces and $29 at Ulta. And when I seen that, I was like, I'm not finna buy that. That don't make no sense. That's expensive. That's like a lot. So I was like, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. But I started seeing a whole lot of sponsored content on this product, and I was like, I need to try it. But then I was like, I want to try it to see if it's really worth the hype, because you know, if it's sponsored content, not saying that all people do it, but some people lie just to get that coin, and I'm just gonna leave that at that. But I was like, I want to see if it really works, because everybody talking about, oh, it's way better than Olaplex, it's way better than Olaplex, but it was sponsored content, so I didn't want to really believe it. And I haven't tried Olaplex yet, but I like this one. It feels really nice on my hair. Like, my hair is super duper soft, and the curl definition is there slightly, you know. So I say this is a win. I like it. Even though it is kind of pricey, I still recommend you go and get it, because let me put it up to the light so I can see exactly where it's at. But this is how much I used. It's still right here. So I feel like if you do get it, you will get plenty of uses out of it. Unless you just want to pour the whole bottle on your head, you can do that, but you know. Anyway, I feel like you can get a whole lot of uses out of this, so it's worth the money, because you get what I'm saying. It's worth it. If you get it, you will have a whole lot of wash days if you get it. And I feel like it really works on your hair, because my hair is super duper soft and smooth. Like, it feels so good. Like, I honestly feel like I can just go like this. It was nice trying out this product. I thought, okay, I'm always skeptic, but as soon as I put it on my hair, I always feel like it's gonna work for me. And this one actually pulled through and actually worked. So I feel kind of happy and glad that I bought it, and I can get tons of uses out of it. So I'm happy about that too. So like I said, I highly recommend you go and try it. But that is it for this video, guys. It was just a little small video to see, does this pre-shampoo treatment actually work? And it does. It works very well. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure before you leave, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell button so you'll never miss the next time I upload, and you'll become a part of the Curly fam. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.